Hello, my name is Tyler Rockwood. Here I have a demo of Redpanda Connect that I'm going to show. Redpanda Connect is Redpanda's data streaming processor, and what we're going to do here with Redpanda Connect is create a RAG application. And we're going to use ClickHouse to store the embeddings, and we're going to use Llama 3.2, the latest released model from Meta, to be able to summarize that text. We're going to compute embeddings using MixedBread's AI's best embeddings model. This is one of the top class embedding models. We're going to compute embeddings for that and then store that all into ClickHouse, both the summarized text and the embeddings itself. And all of that is a production hardened pipeline in about 48, 47 lines of YAML. This will handle at least once delivery, retries, you have metrics and observability all out of the box in a small YAML file. We're going to be pulling these articles from Redpanda Cloud into a cluster that I've scraped some Wikipedia articles and written into a topic there. So now if we look at the other side of this pipeline, so we're going to run both of these pipelines together in Redpanda Connect streams mode, which lets you run multiple pipelines into a single process. And we're going to have an input server input, a HTTP server input that is going to handle these requests from users. And the first thing we're going to do is take the query string from the user. We're going to compute embeddings for that. We're going to go to ClickHouse and do cosine similarity search to pull the most relevant Wikipedia articles that we've indexed. And then we're going to ask LLama, using LLama, we're going to ask Llama 3.2 again to summarize the articles and suggest a recommendation to answer the user's query. So all of this, again, in about a similar amount of YAML. And there's some small data munging that we're going to do as part of these pipeline. And you can do all of that using an embedded language called bloblang within Redpanda Connect. So I'm going to go ahead and run these two pipelines in streams mode here. And I'm also going to show you that these are actually running on the locally running GPUs here. So it's booting up and consuming messages and pulling down these models. So it's got to load these models as well. And now that these models are loaded, you see them pop up here on my terminal that they are running locally, and they're very quickly processing all of these Wikipedia articles and slurping them up into ClickHouse. So now that these are written and all stored in ClickHouse, I'm going to be able to query things like what is a good place to visit on vacation. Now, these are just a few randomly sampled Wikipedia articles, so who knows if there's actually any good recommendation spots in here, but we can find out what the model will give us back. So it looks like here it's recommending Australia. Looks like we slurped up some article about Australia, and it gives us a little bit of a recommendation here. So that's my demo of a small RAG application using ClickHouse to store the embeddings and Redpanda Connect to orchestrate these pipelines of getting embeddings into ClickHouse and also handling user responses. Thanks for watching.